Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Chat GPT's too many requests in 1 hour. Try again a later issue. So make sure you stick with me till the end and let's get started. Number 1. You can simply wait for an hour and then try making requests again. The most obvious answer, but definitely go ahead and try that if you have time, if you have the patience. And also try making fewer requests per hour so that you won't encounter with this issue again. Number 2. Make a different account and every time you encounter with this issue, just switch to that account and do the vice versa. Number 3. Clearing cache and cookies of OpenAI. After doing this, it will be as if you're using the OpenAI for the very first time. To do this, all you have to do is go to the settings of your web browser, and in my case, it is Chrome. And there, go ahead and click on Privacy and Security. Then go ahead and click on Cookies and Other Site Data. Scroll down and then click on See All Site Data and Permissions. Now go ahead and search OpenAI. Then just click on the trash icon. And once you do this, it will clear the cache and cookies of that site and you can just go ahead and log in again. If this does not fix your issue, then you can try using different browsers. If you are using Chrome, go ahead and try using Firefox or Brave, and if you are using others, then you can try using Chrome. That was number 4, and number 5. You can try flushing the DNS, and for this, all you have to do is type CMD in the Start menu's search bar, and then press Enter. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS in the command prompt and press Enter. And that's it. And that was all of our solutions for fixing your too many requests in 1 hour. Try again a later issue. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.